my amazing friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we're going to an incredible journey into the world of meditation. Are you ready to discover Qigong techniques that will take you to a space of deep relaxation? I know you've been searching for ways to find inner peace and enhance your overall well-being. So get ready to dive right in. Before we begin, let's chat for a moment. Life can get pretty overwhelming sometimes, right? Work, responsibilities, and everyday stress can leave us feeling drained. But guess what? We're in this together. That's why I'm thrilled to share with you the incredible power of Qigong techniques for deep relaxation. So let's embark on this journey to find our inner Zen. So if you're ready, just find a comfortable space and let's begin. Hello everyone. We will first start our practice with our Zhuang. Just stand comfortably with feet shoulder-width apart. Feet are grounded with 10% tension. Knees are softly bent, sacrum dropping towards the earth. And as you inhale, feel your spine connecting to heaven through your crown point. Relax your shoulders, relax your chest. Just breathe here for a moment and connect to a deep relaxation. Slowly put your hands in the lower dantian, connecting to our life source. The lower dantian is known to hold our life source. By connecting to this energy center, we allow the energy to flow within us more smoothly. It is important to connect to our lower dantian in the beginning and at the end of our practice. So let's just stay here for a few moments. Listen, breathe, and connect to yourself. Now let's begin our cleansing breath. As you inhale, feel your belly, feel your ribs, feel your chest. And as you exhale, exhale from the pinhole of your mouth. Try to exhale longer than your inhale. You can start by counting 4 seconds as you inhale and 8 seconds as you exhale. Do this for a few rounds on your own. Just feeling the old and excess chi exit your body as you exhale. And as you inhale, feel in your body with a fresh chi. Again, as you inhale, feel your belly, feel your ribs, feel your chest. And as you exhale, exhale from the pinhole of your mouth. Feeling and connecting into a more relaxed state, bringing in smoother energy flow in your body. As you prepare yourself for the day, or as you wrap up today. Now finish your last round of cleansing breath. And as you finish your final cleansing breath, just go back to normal abdominal breathing, releasing any control of your breath, allowing the breath to come when it comes. Allow yourself to connect deeper into your body, feeling any sensations of chi in the palms of your hand, in your skin and your bones. And now just gently release your hand and begin to shake it out, releasing tension to every part of your body, to your muscles, joints, and bones, letting go of any tension physically, mentally, and emotionally. You can twist your torso, releasing any toxins and tensions in the organs. Just let it go. Release any control. Untwist, and then twist towards the other side. And now come back to center. Slowly lift your arms up to the side. And lift your arms up. Just shaking it out and letting it go. Feel free to play around with it if you need to. Just remember to let it go, relax. You can shift your weight on one leg as you begin to shake out the other leg. Back to center and then shift towards the other leg and shake the other. Now begin to shake smaller and faster. Then hold the chi, feeling the chi in the center of your palms. Exhale as you compress. Inhale as you expand your hand, feeling the chi expanding and condensing through this movement. And let's just do a few breaths here, just connecting to our energy, listening to our body and feeling the sensations of energy in our body. Let's finish our last round for this part. And exhale, compress. Now feel like as if you're holding the chi in the center of your palms. Lift it up just in front of your lower dantian. Feel as if you're carrying invisible chi balls in your hand, allowing the chi flow in your body. And you can close your eyes if you need to. Just feeling and connecting to this moment, bringing in more relaxation and positive energy to your body. At the same time, feeling the connection of heaven and earth energy in your body. And just be grateful of this moment, knowing that all we ever need is around us and within us. No more, no less. And just feel how grateful you are for this moment, for life, for nature, for universe. Now begin to lift your hands up and extend it forward once you reach the chest area. This is the holding Tree Tuan posture, and it helps circulate chi flow in our body, nurturing our middle dantian and allowing the chi to flow in the areas where it needs to, in our organs, in the energy pathways of the body, rooting ourselves back to stillness. A lot of times our body and our mind is in constant movement, and we never really connected to our stillness. A lot of times when we're used to moving around and keep going, stillness may feel like an enemy. But learning to relax and stay still and choosing just to be here is a very important practice to help our body to heal. Now begin to press it in and push it down to the earth, just grounding the energy. The next round is a dynamic Qigong exercise from the 8 trigram Qigong called serving teacups. Gather your hands in front of you as you go to horse stance. Right wrist below the left wrist. Now slowly slide the left back to your hips. As you extend your right, do this by twisting your torso to the side. From here, rotate your right hand to the side and gather it down to your lower dantian. Now extend all the way to the back as you compress your torso, looking back at your back hand, and now circle your torso around, followed by your hands, and look at that upper hand as you twist and go back to your neutral position. Now exchange your hands doing the same movement with your torso. And now twist the left hand towards the side, gather it into your lower dantian, extend to the back, and circle around, looking at the center of your palms and gather in front. Let's do it again, shifting, twisting, and gather it in your lower dantian, extend to the back, and circle around with your torso. Back to center, shift, twist, gather, and extend to the back as you compress the torso and circle around. And go back to center, Now let's close back to our tuan. And we close, inhale as you rise up, circle up, and push down to the center line of your body. Again, lift your hands up to shoulder level, circle up, and push down to the center line of your body. Last one, inhale, gather up, and exhale, pushing down to the center line of your body. And now relax your hands to the side and just connect to that deep relaxation state. And now open to Wuji stance by gently relaxing and opening up your arms to the side. Just feeling the sweet flow of energy to your body. Now let's inhale, and as you inhale, feel this energy expand in your lower dantian. And as you exhale, feel it in the center of your palms. Just allowing the flow of qi to flow more freely and reach to the extremities of our body. Let's do this breath for a couple more times. As you inhale, feel it expand in your lower dantian. And as you exhale, feel it in the center of your palms. And now put your hands in the lower dantian. Feel and connect to your lower dantian as we begin our violet light meditation. First, check your Zhanzhuang alignment. See if your knees are still softly bent. Connect to the earth. Relax your shoulders, relax your chest. And as you inhale, feel your spine connecting to heaven through your crown point. Now let's begin to connect to the violet light, which is the color of the universe. Allow the violet light of the universe melt down to your body through your crown point, melting down to your scalp, to your face. Feeling the warmth of the energy of the universe melt down to your neck, to your shoulders, down to your arms, and into your organs, to your torso, your heart, your lungs, your spleen, your stomach, liver, down to your digestive system and your kidney, releasing any excess toxins or excess stagnations and blockages in your body. Now allow the violet light to melt down to your lower dantian, releasing any excess or old energy and allowing the fresh energy to enter our body. Now allow the violet light to melt down to your thighs, releasing any tensions in your muscles and joints, and down to your knees as it spreads down and melt down to your lower legs and down to your ankles and to your feet. Now just allow this violet light to melt down towards the earth as you release those toxins, those excess thoughts, excess emotions in your body. Just release them down to the earth. Now as you connect to the energy of the earth, just feel the connection of the soles of your feet to the earth. And now allow the energy of the earth to enter your body through the center of the soles of your feet, allowing it to rise up to your legs, rising up to your body, and meeting to the lower dantian. Now as you feel the energy of heaven and earth in your body, in your lower dantian, just allow it to pulse in your body and just feel it and be in a more relaxed state and remind your body to relax. And now let's begin to pack this energy. As you inhale, feel the energy expand in your lower dantian. And as you exhale, feel the energy condense into a pink-colored pearl in your lower dantian. Do this for a few rounds on your own. Again, as you inhale, feel the energy expand in your lower dantian. And as you exhale, feel it condense into a pink-colored pearl. Finish your final breath of packing the qi. Now go back to your normal breathing and let go of control of your breath, allowing your breath to come when it comes. To let go and connect to a deeper relaxation and observe your body, how much it has relaxed. Feel free to stay in this moment for as long as you want, but if you're ready to end your practice with me, just follow. Now let's begin to become aware of our surroundings. Feel the air brushing through your skin. Be aware of the sounds around you, the taste of your tongue. Now slowly open your eyes and become aware of your periphery. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope that this video has helped you to connect to a deeper relaxation to help you start or end your day more perfectly. See you again next time. Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video and I hope that it has helped you open up your body and find your flow throughout the day. If it helped, please do me a favor and click the like button below. In this way, you will let us know that you like these kinds of content and you will help us create more contents like this for you. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to comment them in the comments section below. And we try our best to answer them as fast as we can, and we also answer them personally. If you haven't subscribed or clicked the notification bell, please do so. We upload 1 or 2 videos per week, and if you don't subscribe or click the notification bell, you might miss it. Thank you and see you again next time.